The ocean world of One Piece operates on strict, unbending laws of magic. At the center of those laws are devil fruits. For generations, a biological absolute has dictated who wields this power. A human body can only withstand the intense energy of a single devil fruit. This diagram shows exactly what happens when that limit is tested. A person absorbs one fruit and stabilizes, but if they consume a second, their body violently fractures and shatters. Every pirate traversing the Grand Line accepts this fatal consequence. It is an immutable law of nature. During the climax of the Marineford War, that natural law failed in front of the entire world. Marshal D. Teach, known as Blackbeard, arrived on the battlefield already wielding the Yami Yami no Mi, allowing him to control dark gravity. He stepped up to the fallen body of Whitebeard, covered them both with a black tarp, and extracted the Gura Gura no Mi, the power to create devastating tremors. Returning to the biological model, we can see the anomaly. Teach holds them both. Two distinct, aggressively fluctuating energy cores push against his physical boundaries, yet he survives, completely bypassing the established limits of human biology. Eiichiro Oda has deliberately kept the mechanics of this survival out of reach, leaving the world to wonder how the rules were so cleanly circumvented. Marco the Phoenix provided a starting point for the investigation when he remarked on the state of Teach's physical form. Marco noted something specific about Blackbeard's anatomy. He stated that Teach's internal body structure is entirely unusual compared to a normal human. This scan highlights the genetic anomaly hypothesis. Left, a standard framework. Right, Teach's highly complex internal structure. Zooming in, this mutation acts as a natural dual containment system. It compartmentalizes two distinct energy sources, preventing fatal cross-contamination. If Marco's diagnosis points to the truth, Blackbeard didn't use magic to cheat death. His DNA simply bypasses the biological rule from birth. We can also examine the evidence from a different angle. The answer might lie in the rule-breaking properties of his first devil fruit. The Yami Yami no Mi operates like a true black hole. Watch its dark gravity violently pull in and crush ambient light and surrounding matter. This void-like absorption explicitly extends to devil fruit powers. Teach can physically draw in and nullify the active abilities of other users upon contact. This diagram demonstrates the containment unit hypothesis. The dense, dark sphere of his first fruit acts as an internal shield, safely encapsulating the lighter, violent essence of the second fruit. It prevents the new power from ever touching Teach's actual physical boundaries. Under this theory, Blackbeard is physically a normal human, who used his ultimate dark magic to create a mechanical loophole. Our final suspect in this investigation points toward Marshal D. Teach's psychological and spiritual identity. The multi-soul hypothesis suggests that Blackbeard's body houses two or more distinct souls or personalities. This animation visualizes how that works mathematically within the lore. If the universal rule strictly limits one fruit per soul, rather than per physical body, a single host holding two distinct souls can securely tether to two separate devil fruit cores. Two fruits, two souls, secretly sharing a single physical form, leaving the math of the universe perfectly intact. This single, unresolved event has fueled massive global debate among fans and analysts for well over a decade. The scale of this ongoing mystery proves that the community's entire understanding of the One Piece power system remains incomplete. Oda is holding this final mechanical explanation close to his chest, reserving the big reveal for the series' ultimate endgame. We are left with three distinct vectors: a rare biological mutation, a dark magic loophole, or a fractured soul. Between these three possibilities, one theory must eventually break. Decide which explanation holds the most weight and share your definitive verdict in the comments below.